It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Sikukune 0. I made a mistake. It's Sikukune, the home team, 0. Mamelodi Sundowns 2 in the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns coming to life in the last maybe 10 minutes of the game, and then they get the winning goals in the last 5 minutes of the game. Good impact from Mukuricha Mudau from the bench. Brian Leon scoring yet another goal. I think it's 2 goals in 3 matches now. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. They are top of the league. Junior, what did you make of the game, sir?
Enguleyo mabrada kunjani? Ngibulise incosi kathu.
Yes, sir.
Justice Benedict Sovilakazi.
So.
Bulisa ubobzini, bulisa ushini. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, mfethu game, truly speaking, there's a say 80 how you play now determine your future.
100%.
Yes, Eric Tinker, how he played, especially according to Orlando Pirates, when he drew that game, playing defensively. He thought getting a draw, this was going to work for him. Truly speaking, I'm not too sure. This is not Eric Tinker that I know, man. There's a reason mina ngigcine ngiba kuba nothando for coach Eric Tinker. Because of the type of football he used to play when he was at Cape Town City, when he was at Vets, when he was at Orlando Pirates as well. Attacking minded, team is structured, there's ball circulation, it breaks, it allow players to express themselves. Team is in structure. But now, Eric, I'm not too sure what is he trying to do. Because truly speaking, how he plays now, also man, it goes back, and Jobang Sashos, Kukune let go Usiema Sugu number 4. I think technical team is Kukune, something is wrong in the team. I mean, I'll be honest, Utinka how he plays now is not him. I was think several times. No matter bam utama player who Cape Town City. You know, even Kukune how they started is season le as a tole position.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. I think technical team mele bayilungise kunabo Themba Sithole, Alex Papela. Honestly speaking, they need to fix that. Makubedu, they are there. Also Eric Tinker. There are coaches that can't go there, but only head coach at PSL. Laba coach team at PSL that are going. But Dembo Makubedu, bonabo Themba Sithole are not going. I'm not too sure what's going on. Goba ETTC team yabo, even themselves they are not doing well. So going back to the game, Mangiti. Say the udlala ngakhona determine the future. Utinka udlale today approaching the game, he had no intention to get a goal. Because adlala ngoPhiri, adlala ngomNare, and also playing with this Mkhize guy. Central midfielders who are sitting. Udlala, it's 4-5-1. He played 4-5-1. I don't understand that pattern. Because I'm a wing wake, which is the Chitulanga, nobody came inside. But you're nearer to each other, pack in the middle, respect the Sundowns. Too much. Now, Krobla, not Guti, the Mama Asoliti, he never played according to his strengths. He brought him back to become a defender as well. Like, become a center. Very close to his midfielders, even if they get the ball, they play ball. They have no intention to go. I think it's according to my instruction too much. But what they were instructed. They play like robots, honestly. Today, Unube himself, he never intention to take somebody on. Just to when they start, mhlambe goal kick, amelining. He never had those intentions, even the lang. Staying with the opponent this way, with okay, abalbam and then so defender. I'm an instruction from the coach. So it's very disappointing fit. The first half by spend half in yabo. Never spend in the how many shots in Kulmanga first half. They never even yabona when you defend, mele kube nendlela to get the goal. You can't defend forever.
Yeah.
So either way, Sundowns, yazi league yethu mfethu kunento besiko honestly. Our league, honestly, we need to go back. I don't think our standards of football too. It's like our standard of football. I don't think it's one of the best for me. Truly speaking, slowly but surely, we're going down. Honestly, because sometimes they are not at the best. My team they're feeling to take accountability. This is not the best performance for Mamelodi Sundowns. Honestly, if you can speak. First half, badlala nga 3 midfielders nabo, which is Mkhulisi, Jalen Adams, Resinho. Static, very static mfethu. Static Sundowns. Mrena on the right hand side. These, I think, up front, Begu Sales, Leon, also Renas. These three they were very close to each other, allowing Umdawu to go forward. Lunga, too many mistakes. Ubambi Paul, we won. Too many mistakes. Even if we win back 1-0, we won. Everybody went in. Udlula first touch. Once ufuna ukutrippela phakathi u-1, you're going to make mistake. You'll force to pass with a weaker foot. Vele uzopass i-opponent. Bebafuna ukusebenzisa le side la kaMrena. Match fitness, I think, imshayile. Nenye into coach. I don't mind the coach asebenzise a rotation. But big timing, mfethu. You are fighting big positional ama team. Phela how the game started, it's like besibuzana ukuthi how i-positional ama team ikuphi.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma ngeSikhukhune and Mamelodi Sundowns. The body language both of them. Sundowns playing with the walking pace. Agna mobility. The system is Sundowns how they play, but it's a system team. Everybody must move in order the system to function. Not 2-3 players. Jaden was walking pace. I'm talking about joking, playing a joke. Mkhulisi, akusulo Mkhulisi engimaziyo. I'm not too sure why. Or is it because angazi psychological, but Mkhulisi is one of the best. But ungadlala ukudlala indima enkulu. Yes, bebadlala low block uThintla, but find a way. Find a way. Also, Resinho dropping sideways and Kulmanga first half, negative play, negative pass. So, Sundowns not much. I think Nababawena only shot 2 on target by Fosile, which is this guy, Resinho, and Renas Bebanga Tolipolo. Resinho dropped, not Resinho. Leon. Blind Leon dropped because the Pola Belinga Figue, no Renas. It dropped, he forced, he 1-2, no Renas, so Renas were 10 and can shoot a goalkeeper save. That was the only Pola. Engatinyal Kumbula, that's all. And that, not much of a creativity of Sundowns. Their system here is fully mobility, the mass move of everybody, especially middle up front as well. Mele kumene movement of the ball. And then you can create a space, maybe as a lady, Gabum Dao, and then now Lunga. Second half, yes, much better from Sundowns, especially after Masap. There's a say 80, when you're on the bench, you are not only on the bench, you are a coach, sort of. Umda, well done. He has a defender mazoba an impact because he's a defender. He's a wing back. Well done in terms of decision making. 2 goals. I think good Lalindi Menkolum Chita. First goal. Well done to him coming inside. Angabi selfish. It's the same length of Kulmangayo, the Orlando Pirates. Lumchita Leo Altola Lepo. Sibelebele. Same situation. Supposed to lay. Namda Ovelo lay. Nuno Santos classes amphiti. Yala Zepo Lumchita. Just they do need no more man of him. We are born to now, but I want him to show his hands. He has this guy. Pella, if you can be honest, Sundowns when this guy Uripero, when they brought this guy, they were like it or not, no man ever issue because this thing to replacing him. Aye, no man ever issue. But nyambonu pete yonkinto, nyambonu mchitu pete the vision ingqondo, intelligent football. But ngifuna mo phamisandla ukuthi mina I'm one of the best. Cause kuna moment, udlala ngama moment. Today we yenza, tomorrow you can't see him. Good goal from him. Because lately I'll show you the goalkeeper suka khona. Leanta yenza noma bani ingqondo enkulu le amfethu. So I want to see this more from this guy. If I can see this ngizosho ngimrate as ngisho ngithi yeah, maybe kubo Ribeiro, maybe it's going there or even close. But angeke ngiba compare sort of. But Sundowns iyathanda ithande makambu Ribeiro. I-replacement yabo according mababringa this guy. Ngoba bashona I remember kumaruba ukuthi brought another guy that will probably might close the space aka Ribeiro. Nana enye into futhi well done to Mdiba coming in. Ngimbonela kadlala ngalast game did very well Mchita decision making ukungadlali mfethu akukho izulu zithash well done also ngisaphinda this guy Shalile Peter takes I think experience played a major role seasoned players at Sundowns because they are not the one of the best team currently honestly but because of the experience how to know they know how to win the league how to win the games because the game literally speaking deserve a draw. But last 10 minutes, Itatama play takes players. I don't think it's a coach. Now Shai Zandla, Jemela Chabule is a coach. But players in Kulma Nunu Leanto Lea, Numda Leanto Sensei. If you can be actually coaching Leanto, it's him. But Dylan thing is Klalang season players, no Klalang into on a totally different. These are experienced players, they know how to win games. And well done, Shali. How many times? Maybe 2 months on Boni. Shali on the pitch. Receive the ball when there's somebody behind him. It takes a real man. Experience, well done. And also Shai. Target. I want to comment on Leon. Dangerous player. He might not touch the ball like everyone. Dangerous player. Runs off the ball. In fact, it costs havoc cool. Especially who do these 2 center back. Upege lama runs or shine. Lama dangerous cool. Once you can get somebody who's a compliment. somebody that will pass him, not only on the head, on the line. You understand? Because Lamar 2-step ayenzayo, it confused so many. Beka le ball alibuyisa ngenhloko leli balimista eSundowns. Not only that ball, nale run ayidonsayo, and then abuyisa le ball la central, whereby I think, I'm not too sure who, I think uye uNuno, whereby uthi uyashuta le ball la phezulu. No, uMatthews. Well done to Matthews makangena. Naye ngimbonile ngimshayela izandla. But ngicela noma qala igame, I want to see this from Matthews. He had shot the goalkeeper safe. He forced to go forward. Well done to him ngimshayela izandla. Today makangena coming from the bench. But to coach ucishe wayigwinya na le game. I'm sure now solid how he started the game. Yeah, how he started. Because the position yala ma team way2. How both of them started the game. And the body language was shocked, all of us. Even Sekhukhune. I mean, I'm not too sure. They play like nabangat ba honorary fixtures. It's not Tinker Lengi. That's why the involvement of the technical team in suspect. Tinker Mazio are solved. No man happy bam play go Cape Town City. You find a way with the either counter. I'll wait and play in a counter. According to his strengths according to his strengths Chitulang. We understand. I know with him even he comes up last time, look heavy. But mangabu fakulanga kusho I'm trusting Nokelitso. Play him according to his strengths akhe simbone. Ukhrobla how many times they play him? How many times ke noma ngabe amela lishile how many times bampasa nje forward? Not much. So it's unfortunate, but when you play on your half with defender, either way if you play against the team idlale afinini, you will a mistake and then you'll get punished. Uthintla le game they deserve it drop, but because of how you approach the game, not the way we deserve we lose.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Mamelodi Sundowns going top of the league. Even though, as Junior was saying, this deserved a draw. However, there was only going to be one team that was going to win this game, and that's the team that was visiting the other half of the opponent. Otherwise, for Eric Tinkler's Sekhukhune, their wish was a draw, which they got against Pirates. They didn't get this time around. And I think it was Shane who just mentioned now that it's 1 point out of 9. Shane Obobo mentioned that in 3 games, you lost to Stellenbosch, draw Pirates, lost to Mamelodi Sundowns. So when you are playing defensive football, you're taking these risks. Even today, even if you got the draw, you were going to get 2 points from Pirates, from Sundowns, but in total it was going to be 2 points out of 9 because you already lost against Stellenbosch since the opening of this year. Itiske TV, Itiske Times was suspecting.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiske TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiske TV.